Believe it or not, the home of your dreams isn't built by contractors alone. It's also built through the fusion of your vision and effective communication and negotiation skills. Welcome to today's video, where over the next 3 minutes or so, we're going to be diving headfirst into mastering the art of negotiation with contractors. And this week throughout, with my newsletter and my blog and my infographic, I've unveiled some strategies and techniques that you can utilize to translate your ideas into reality. I've talked about why seeing through your contractor's lens is an absolute game changer. And together, we've explored the art of communicating your expectations effectively, setting boundaries, defining clear roles, and establishing responsibilities. But that's not all. I've also shared invaluable tips on fostering a respectful and a professional relationship with your contractor, the kind that leads to productive collaboration. But let's dig a little deeper. Let's dig into a skill that plays a significant role but is often misunderstood, and that is negotiation. You see, many see negotiation as a tug of war where one person has to lose and the other person has to win. However, in the context of home building or renovation, it's crucial to see negotiation as a dance. It's a harmonious give and take, and it ensures that both parties walk away satisfied. Because remember, your contractor is not your adversary, he's your ally. And he's your ally in materializing your dream home. And negotiation is a game of understanding. And not just the perspective of the contractor, but also the technical and the logical challenges of your project. It's about aligning expectations. It's about balancing budgets and timelines. And it's also about navigating through roadblocks. It's about compromise, but standing firm when it comes to the quality and essence of your dream home. Now, this week I talked about Sarah. Sarah's story paints this picture perfectly. She's a novice in home renovation, and she initially found herself entangled in the complex web of decisions and responsibilities. And it was only after her understanding and applying effective negotiation techniques that she could step into her power. And she was then able to express her vision explicitly, to manage her budget efficiently, and to ensure that her project was completed without compromising on her initial ideas. And today, Sarah lives in a home that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but it's also a testament to her taste and to the power of effective negotiation. Her home that was once a dream now stands tall as her reality. Now, if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to like it and share it, and also to subscribe to my channel. And I'd also love to hear about your experiences in any topics that you'd like me to cover in future videos. So please feel free to leave me a comment. But for more insights into mastering negotiations with contractors, make sure to check out my week's newsletter, the blog, and also the infographic that I provided this week. So until next time, remember, your dream home is only a successful negotiation away. So stay tuned and stay inspired.